Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am meteorologist Mike Schwab. I hope everybody's having a fantastic night out there. I'm having a good time. Hey, take a look at this visible satellite image over the lower 48. You can see there's quite a bit going on out here, right? We got some showers moving in the Pacific Northwest. What's new for them, right? I used to live in beautiful Eugene, Oregon. I definitely remember all those showers. Another place also getting showers that's not so used to is down here in the Southwest, the Grand Canyon State. I got a lot of family down there. I know all about the heat and dry weather that they're so used to. So they're probably enjoying this nice break. Give them some showers to clean out the air, cool things down a little bit. Take a look at this. We got a big snowstorm developing in the big sky country state, Montana. It's going to push snow down into the Cowboy State, Wyoming, over toward the Black Hills of South Dakota. Places I spent a lot of time growing up. I definitely remember all those snowstorms. Brings back some memories. So if you're heading out to beautiful Mount Rushmore, keep that in mind. You're probably going to hit with some snow. Big Easy, 75 degrees right now. It'd be great to be putting down some jambalaya, some red beans and rice, listen to some jazz. That sounds like a great night if you ask me. As you'd expect, 27 degrees in beautiful Yellowstone National Park. And in the Southwest, a little cooler than you might expect. Valley of the Sun, 73 degrees. Remember, a lot of showers and clouds around. Somebody might ask, why is it so much colder in Flagstaff? Is that accurate? Yeah, it actually is. Flagstaff is about 6,000 feet higher in elevation than Phoenix here. And, you know, as you go in the atmosphere, it generally gets colder. And so, yeah, that is not uncommon for a big temperature difference that close in Arizona. Right behind it like that. It's definitely rare to see two strong typhoons that close to each other. Some people are asking, what is a typhoon versus a hurricane? It turns out they're the same thing. It just depends on where you're at in the world. Around North America, they call them hurricanes. Out here over the Western Pacific, they call them typhoons. It doesn't look good for Southeast Asia here. The Philippines are probably going to get affected. That's actually where I was born. I was an Air Force kid, so I was born in the Clark Air Force Base in the Philippines. My parents used to tell stories of their experiences with typhoons. Pretty weird that you have this incredible lightning strike right through the rainbow, right? But then right here, you can see zoomed in. What do we see here? That's an airplane. Yeah, an airplane is getting struck by that lightning bolt right there, right in the rainbow. It almost seems like a fake image. Somebody put this together. What are the odds of all this coming together? But no, this is a legitimate photograph that was taken. Fortunately, it's okay to be struck by lightning if you're in a plane. They designed the planes like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 major cloud-to-ground lightning strikes there in the photograph. Reminds me of growing up in the plains at night, just admiring thunderstorms coming in and seeing really cool lightning storms and just thinking. Radar's based here. You can see some strong returns over here. You can see this dark stuff. And over here, it's interesting. It wraps around like this into a nice hook. And then we have some white returns here. The white returns mean really big returns. Probably some good-sized hail. That's what that usually means. Pretty much that's what's going on there. The hook echo, basically you have wind shear. You have different wind directions and speeds as you go in the atmosphere during an event like this, which leads to a horizontal roll. This column is rotating this way. Well, you have an updraft, which basically strong winds that come from down below that push this horizontal roll upwards, split this thing into two vertical rotating columns. One goes away and the other one is sitting there rotating vertically. And so at the core of the storm, you've got this rotating column. We'll wrap the precip around like that. Some people think, oh, there's a tornado right there. Not necessarily, but there's a good chance, and that's where the tornado will be. This whole thing is rotating. This is a huge mesocyclone here. This is the core of the storm. This looks pretty dry right now, so on radar, you probably might not see a hook that well. You can see most of the precip is actually out here, but it could wrap around and show more of a hook. This cold air mass came from Canada, dumped that snow there, and as this cold air mass went over the Atlantic Ocean, it got warmed up because the Atlantic Ocean stays relatively mild, keeps the air temperature relatively mild. So when you have this cold air mass encounter the warmer air mass of the Atlantic, you can have some instability that develops, and you get these interesting striations. These cloud formations are due to the cold air being modified by the warmer Atlantic air. And so what we have here is an excellent example of something we call air mass modification. I'm about showing you this because this is the kind of forecast that I get on people's good side. So I look forward to bringing you this kind of weather. Look at this, Friday, Saturday, low to mid 80s. Sunshine on Saturday. Nice temperatures at night. So yeah, get out there and enjoy the Saturday. It's going to be a great day to do something fun outside, go on a hike, bike ride, do something cool. Sunday starts to cloud over, but still, nice day for the most part, 82 degrees. Shower by the end of the day, so keep that in mind. We got a cool front that comes through overnight, Sunday night into Monday, but look at this. Temperatures drop to the 70s. Can't argue with that. 70s, sunshine. We got temperatures in the 50s at night. It's going to be great. The freezing temperature of water in Fahrenheit is 32 degrees. What is the freezing temperature of water in Celsius? Hopefully you guys remember this. The answer is 0 degrees Celsius. Right. So the boiling temperature of water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the boiling temperature of water in Celsius? Time's up. Answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Yes, 0 degrees is the freezing temperature. 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling temperature. It's a nice range there, 0 to 100. So a nice fair weather puffy white cloud is referred to as a cumulus cloud. It might develop into a bigger thunderstorm cloud. It might go to from a cumulus to a towering cumulus to a huge thunderstorm cloud. What is that called? Think about it. The answer is cumulonimbus cloud.